All right, so this is like a pretty good find at the junkyard. It's a Nissan 300ZX 2+0, so there's no black back seats, and it has all black interior. I ended up taking like the whole rear interior pieces out. I took the tail lights. I'm actually grabbing the mirrors and this little light today. I actually grabbed this little adapter for like the cones for the air filters because mine broke. Like a bunch of little things here and there, but yeah, this thing's fucking clapped. Like, look at it. What?
Fucking bolts for the light.
Alright. Damn, I wish my shit had an alarm.
You don't have an alarm?
No. And then like these doors, I got these from like a different like
That's
car.
what mine is. That's why if my alarm doesn't open, I won't be able to open my Last time I put my key in, the key shit just went in. I was like,
It's so funny. And then look. I just need to cut out the holes and shit out of this one. And then
like,
it'll be
what
like,
do you have to cut out?
I have to cut out like this for this.
Oh, for the bar to fit?
Yeah, and then like the holes for the
Oh,
airs.
the fucking...
Alright, so right now I'm gonna take off these mirrors because what's it called? I found some black ones at the junkyard and I don't feel like painting these right now. Another reason why I'm changing them is because the shop that like wrapped my car last like did a good job. So it's like already peeling and shit. Yeah, this one only has one bolt hole in it. Dude, I always hear like loud ass bangs in this area. It sounds like someone's like fucking like blowing something
For
up. Hey, can you hold this really quick? Thanks. So I was trying to like clean off the mirrors really quick and look at this fucking spider. Dude, I'm gonna fucking... Hold on. Fuck, where'd it go? Uh-oh. Damn, I don't know where. That's kind of scary. Hopefully it doesn't bite me or something. Alright, so I have these like extra trim pieces laying around. So I decided to like started cutting them. So I actually have like interior in the rear because I don't really like it gutted. But yeah, so I have an extra set of these. I'm just gonna cut them like all ghetto and stuff, so I actually have something in the car. And then like when I reroute the airlines and stuff, I'll make it look like a lot cleaner. It's not gonna be like ghetto like this one, and then like this is just really bad. But it's definitely better than not having like anything in the car, that's for sure. But yeah, I already did this side, so I'll show you guys how I'm gonna do this side. So this is gonna be super ghetto. I got some protection so I don't fucking cut on my face if this wheel goes flying off. But I'm basically just gonna cut it like shit. I'm not gonna mark it or anything, but I'm just gonna cut it like right here to here. Cut this all off. And then I have airlines over here, so I'm just gonna make like a slit that goes all the way up so I can just slide over. Okay, so I finished cutting this side. So you just cut like a little slit on the end and then just cut off the top piece. But yeah, it looks good with like most of the interior back in. I just need to put the carpet, and then I'm gonna redo the air tank and stuff. I'm gonna get like a pancake tank, put everything in the wheel well, and then I want to put like a sub and stuff like that. And then I got this middle piece too because I was missing that from the junkyard. I got like a lot of parts off that Black Sea that you guys saw at the beginning of the video. Like this, I got this, the whole rear interior piece. I got a front fog light because I cracked that. I got the 300ZX floor mats, T-top shades. I just got this light today. I got a dome piece light from them. Oh shit, I actually need to get a mirror because this thing's all broken. But yeah, that Black Sea definitely helped out with this car a lot. I mean, happy everything is all in, but I mean, this obviously looks ghetto. I want to redo this before Clean Culture, which is in fuck, I think that's in April, the beginning of April. So yeah, that's what I'm basically getting this car ready for. I'm gonna go to Clean Culture and then we're gonna hit up Stance Nation too because it's literally the next day. But yeah, I'm gonna get some new wheels, a bunch of new stuff, and then yeah, I need to get this X bar in. This is a Miracle crossbar, and then I have the Miracle like rear strut bar too. I've actually had this thing for like I think 2 years now, and I've moved so many times within the last couple of years. I've just lost the bolts. Yeah, this is gonna be like a short little video like on the me getting the mirrors and then kind of finishing the trunk. And then next video will be like more like an update walk around video of like the car, because it's been about a year since you guys seen this thing. Yeah, that video will be out tomorrow. And then me and Studs, Johnny, he owns this clean ass Civic over here. We're gonna go shoot some photos, just because I want to get some pics with these wheels, because I'm gonna be getting some new wheels before Clean Culture. But yeah, look at this thing, it's fucking sick. He's a sense of repaint the front bumper and it will look mint. But yeah, if you guys enjoyed the video, be sure to follow me like on Instagram at chris.dunlap. It'll be on the screen. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.